You guys, today has been an absolutely absurd day, not just for XRP, not just for crypto, not just for markets, but for the world. This video could be 30 minutes long, more probably if I wanted it to, but I'm going to try and keep it as brief as I can, get you the info that you need. You can see from the title, we just had our first XRP ETF filing from Bitwise. Today's the first day of Pumptober, Uptober. This is how it's going for everyone right now. There's so much going on. Okay, let's just get into it. We'll look at the chart first. Because see, Bitcoin absolutely nuking. Didn't break 60K yet. Hit like 60,200. And then if we come over and look at the volatility, we're going to zoom in on the chart for XRP. We'll go to 15-minute candles. Right? So this morning, XRP was pumping up against Bitcoin, right? It hit like 63.5 cents. Nukes down to below 58. Rips back up to almost 63. And now we're sitting back at like 60 flat. This all comes because here at the bottom, we get this. Bitwise submits application for spot XRP ETF. First ETF filing, so who knows, will other institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity follow later this week? Will we get announcements from them as well if they're filing for ETFs? Not sure. We'll have to wait and see for that. We got confirmation here because some people were thinking it was fake, like the last XRP ETF filing we had last year. But Eleanor Turret, Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matt Hogan has confirmed the filing I shared is authentic. More details tomorrow. So we got confirmation it's authentic. It's the first true filing for an XRP ETF. Very exciting news, right? We got more here, right, from Smoke. The Bitwise XRP ETF filing makes perfect sense. First institutions have noted that the Grayscale XRP Trust laid the groundwork for an eventual ETF. Additionally, Monoclon expressed optimism about an XRP ETF, citing the regulatory clarity that currently applies only to Bitcoin and XRP. This creates a new opportunity for investors to gain exposure to XRP in a regulated environment, documented, of course. And to me, right, this personally would indicate that there's not going to be an appeal, as I've been saying, because why would they do this if they thought there was going to be some kind of appeal or legal holdup on Ripple's end with the SEC? It could still happen, of course, but everything going on, in my opinion, points to no appeal. And we're going to have that confirmation on Monday next week, right? On top of this, earlier this morning, we got this from Ripple. We're delighted to have secured in principle approval of a financial services license from Dubai Financial Services Authority, unlocking our end-to-end managed payment service in the UAE. And you can click on this press release here, right? And you can go read through that if you want, but we're just going to keep moving forward. What did Brad say? Yeah, Brad said regulatory clarity is what businesses want and what consumers need. The UAE understands that, taking shots at the SEC. Anders here says Ripple will be the first blockchain-enabled payment service provider to be licensed by the DFSA. First, nobody else is doing it. Over 20% of Ripple's global customers are based. Their global customer base is located in the UAE, so huge. With DFSA authorization, Ripple is set to roll out its enterprise-grade digital asset infrastructure to a broader customer base in the UAE. Great moves by Ripple. And you can see the same drop here, right? Same press release. Something good, though. With announcements today from Ripple, there's no longer a need for debate on the XRP being used or not in the BRICS Plus nations. Ripple payment direct documentation from Ripple, the exact process, now approved for operation in the UAE. And you can see here that the payment flow includes XRP in this payment flow of how the whole operation would work, like the service that Ripple is providing. XRP is included. No more of this FUD. Like, oh, they're not going to use XRP. They're not. Yes, it's all on the XRP ledger. That's why they went to battle with the SEC to get regulatory clarity for XRP. XRP is the center of all of it. Okay? Crypto Tank. BRICS will use XRP as the bridge currency between countries. Every nation will have its own native digital currency. They will transact using XRP to bridge their different currencies for settlement. That is where this is going. XRP is the only cryptocurrency that can handle it. Perfect. Let's continue. Dude, I'm just spitballing super fast here because this isn't even the craziest stuff that happened today. We're going to get to that at the end. I'm leaving the world events for the end. We're going to do the crypto stuff first. Trump coin. XRP is on track to achieve new all-time highs. Bitwise filed for an XRP ETF. RLUSD will be live this month, most likely. Ripple and XRP have legal clarity and the lawsuits done on October 7th. U.S. election and crypto regulation is in November. Global bank adoption by mega Japanese banks. Are you in? I mean, I'm in. I've been in. So great to see there, right? Crypto Michael, XRP is a hedge against WW3. I don't want to say that because I don't know if it'll get the video demonetized. Just showing how we had like that counter pump there. And if we do come back over here to the charts, okay, yeah, what do I want to look at? XRP versus Bitcoin. Still showing some strength here, right? XRP versus Bitcoin. Come out to the daily. We really want to break over this level here versus Bitcoin. And then I think we get our true next parabolic move up. But hopefully that's coming soon. And again, we'll get to why he's saying that here in a second. But we're going to look at some Bitcoin charts. Few bullish hopium Bitcoin charts for everyone freaking out right now. Deviation above the highs, going for a deviation below the lows, which we've done now because we moved to like 60K. Deviation below the lows, and then what did we do? We came back up and we ripped out of there. Here, bid the scary drop below the October monthly open, 2023 Bitcoin versus 2024. So in 2023, we opened October right here, crashed, came back up, crashed again on like the 10th, the 9th or the 10th, came to this low, consolidated. Towards the end of the month, we started ripping out of here. Now we're at this high. We're starting to pull back and come down. Are we going to pull back, maybe consolidate, pull lower, settle low, consolidate, and start ripping out of here towards the back half of the month? Definitely possible, right? Neste, chop them out before we break it out. Showing, again, these other times where we've chopped in a very similar way. Vertical accumulation of sorts. It's not easy, right? It goes ups, it has ups, it has downs, it chops a bit. But eventually, this thing does lead to breaking higher. Crypto Michael, they're giving you a final chance to enter before the parabolic move higher, but most are too afraid. Don't fall for the bear trap. Much higher prices are coming. I agree. Okay, and then here's the crazy stuff that happened. We'll start with this. This is the president of dock workers from Maine to Texas in the U.S. They go on strike today for the first time since 1977. This stops all shipping from coming ashore to the East Coast. On the entire eastern seaboard, all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico. Massive strike. And already when this was happening this morning, like traditional markets and Bitcoin were starting to dump. Traditional markets, they dumped. It's not a crazy liquidation though. Not like what we had here with the GAPY carry trade. But we were starting to see some downside. Then we get this. Iran sends, again, I don't want to say words that could get me demonetized, sends these to Israel. I don't even know if I could show this, but we're showing it. That happens a couple hours later. And the markets, of course, did not like that. So very bad geopolitical events. Prayers out to anyone affected by this. Gives you perspective, right, on how fortunate we are to live in a place where we don't have or haven't had to yet deal with anything like this. We're safe and we don't got to worry about bombs flying over our head. My bad. Said the word. Hopefully no demonetized. So hopefully everyone is okay. Hopefully things can resolve. But Iran did declare war on Israel. So we got to see how things escalate. We got to see how this impacts the markets. But hopefully things can resolve themselves smoothly. Although that's not what I would put my money on. Because again, we have 1 month until U.S. elections and things just keep seeming to get crazier. So finally here from Alex Cobb, boom, literally 17 minutes ago, RLUSD minted 1.3 million from the RLUSD treasury. So, dude, mind-boggling day. So much going on. Who knows what's going to happen next, but absolutely crazy time to be in the markets, to be alive. Again, a little bit rambly, I know. I was trying to get through because this video could last for a long time with everything that's happening, but I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we'll get some more info on all of this. I'll keep you updated tomorrow and throughout the rest of the week. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.